you crazy? Are you out of your mind?
Hey guys, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Welcome. Appreciate you being here. Let's see what we can do today. Get paid being first and foremost. Facts. We're just looking at the charts. We had a $20 move yesterday from high to low. That's quite a fucking spread. We are currently right around halfway. We're at the 35 and low yesterday was 25, high was 42. So we're opening up about the median of yesterday. You can see about halfway between the whole day. I don't know what to think, man. We are above VWAP. We have been trending up since the pre-market. It's once it cracked VWAP, it stayed there. Just kept doing these little bounces. Let me way back here. So we have been on the right side of VWAP all day. So that's good. Pre-market did not quite come down to yesterday's low, which is good. Like, are they trying, is that their zero line? Is that their base? I don't know. But that's good to see at least. A couple of things of note. If we open up here in a couple of minutes and we break and close above pre-market high, I'll jump in. All right. Without waiting the 5 minutes. All right. In the event that happens, it has to close. Don't buy the wick. Okay. It has to close above. Contrary, if we close below VWAP, I'll jump in. Okay. Because we've been trending above VWAP all morning, I think that's a good base because it's bounced off it quite a few times. And so if we lose that and it closes below it, I'll jump in. All right. Besides those two things happening, business is normal. All right. If we do go calls, we're looking for the opening range low yesterday. That'll be 738s, 739s. And then below, we're looking at pre-market low. So just to give you some targets to take note of, okay? Other than that, let's just see what fucking happens, all right?
See what she does.
What I'm hoping doesn't happen is it fucking jukes us, all right? It comes up, it does close above pre-market high, and then it just fucking yanks our fucking teeth off. If that happens too, guys, if we enter this trade, remember we're entering it off the pre-market high, all right? Let's just say it does, right? And we get in. That next candle, if it does not stop you out and it does close below pre-market high, we get out. All right, get out. And then we'll accept the loss, right? And then we'll replay it if it cracks it again. All right. But if you're entering based on any level, right, whatever level you're entering, if it's VWAP, if it's pre-market high, if just get out, lick your wounds, reattack it later. There's no reason holding, hoping, and praying, right? We get in, we get out, we take the loss. That's okay. Just redo it. All right. In here, it's a little easier. When I'm sending out the alerts, like happened yesterday, I sent out the alert. We were out, right? I think we used the median line, I believe. We got out. I was like 5-6%, I think, but you could have got out as high as 10%. 29. So we're pushing up. So here's the issue. So we're making a new pre-market high, which is fine on that push up. So if this thing closes above, I don't know. I'm weary. I'm gonna go for it if it closes above. I am a little weary because if it does close above and then it pulls back on us, but I'm gonna go. I already put it not right now. I'm just saying if it closes above. I'm looking at the 741s right now. I have the 741 calls loaded in the event this thing goes above pre-market high. If we start bleeding off, I'll switch. We'll probably go probably the 727 puts, 26 or 27 puts. I'll see when they get down there. But for right now, I have the 741 calls loaded up, and we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. What are you liking today, Playboy?
I'm fucking. I want to see if they do a little fake out, um, towards either fucking direction. I mean, personally, I think they'll fucking sink this bitch today, but my bias doesn't really matter much. Do what the market does, but I'm weary of a pump up because why the pump up this morning?
Well, we did just get inflation numbers. What were those? Anybody? Or the GDP or something? Something came out this morning. I looked at the candle. It didn't budge the candle much. So I don't know if it was either even or nobody cared or what the fuck it was. Someone pull up Market Watch. Tell me what that bitch was. Inflation was better? Okay. Um, so I was telling Playboy this morning when I got on, generally the this was the FOMAC candle right here. So generally whatever the initial pump play is, it usually reverses, right? And so when I seen this come in, this is where the FOMAC was, and then it pumped up. When I was like, oh, here it comes, here's the pullback. And then it got basically back to the entry, if you will, and then it pumped up. So I was thinking when this was happening yesterday, um I was like, oh, well, here's the pullback. Bitch is gonna sink. And then when it stopped, I was like, oh, well, maybe that's their pullback, right? And then it took off again. I was like, oh, there she goes. We're going to a million. And then it just did this, bro. It just ripped everybody's fucking face off
Mhm.
if you were in. So today, I don't know. I think we drive up. This was a lot of selling here. A lot of fucking look at this volume. Look at this. Look at these two candles. I don't know if you can see them. Look at those volume candles. 1 and 2. This volume candle is all the way the fuck up here. See that? And let me just put it in perspective. Here's opening range candle. See that little baby right here? Baby, baby, baby. And then you have this bitch, those two bitches. A lot of fucking volume. A lot of fucking volume. Let me get back on. So it does look like it's bleeding off. I want to see the ricochet off of VWAP. And then a push up. Get this bitch out of here. Get it up towards opening range yesterday. How about that? That's what I want. Make it happen,
Yeah,
Spy. Make that bitch happen. Bounce, go, 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 go. Or take my money. Whatever you want to do. I don't care. Just do something. Something. So it didn't quite get to VWAP, but it did try and come down here. If you look at that, it got within 20 cents or so. I still have them calls loaded up, but I'm eyeballing the 727 puts. All right. So kind of have those on your radar in the event this thing loses VWAP. So I guess either trade at this point, it's going to be outside of our range. So that's going to be our quote unquote normal play anyway. So I thought we were going to go right here. I thought we were just going to drive up. I was wrong. I'm wrong all the time because I suck. I suck. Another not reattempt at VWAP, but another equal push down. Let's see what it does. Let's see what she does. Like I said, I have the 41 calls loaded, ready to go, but I'm eyeballing those 727s, all right? 727 puts.
a lot of fighting going on here.
Yeah, we're at VWAP, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Let me edit this just so I'm ready. This will probably be around the 40s. Call it. This one will probably be probably the 45 also. But like Playboy said also, this isn't a juke move here. So you're not fooling anybody. And the institutions like to fucking fool everyone. So what they usually do is they'll rip down, right? They'll get everybody hooked on puts and then they'll just rip your face off. This here isn't enough to fool people. So if we take our play either way on the breakout, that just be wary of that, guys, of the fast reversal. All right. This here isn't a fake out. Like you wouldn't be faking anybody out. If they just start doing calls now and it trends up like that, that'd be rare. Whatever the move is, it's they try and get you. So we're squeezing about $1, right? 7.35, yeah, $1.20. That's pretty tight for a 5-minute range. Pretty tight. And for anybody new, the gold is the 5-minute levels. These blue lines, the teal, these are the 15 minutes. So those are going to keep expanding for 15 minutes, and then they'll stop. We're going to play this this gold area, okay? And the indicator will tell you. It'll tell you if I'm not clear enough for you. What is this? What, mom drop off a kid and left? I don't understand. Huh. Yep. Oh, I think she had nails. Yeah, she had a nail appointment. Anyway, not much to fucking look at other than this paint.
No. Sure.
This paint drying. This is a tight squeeze, guys. This is a tight squeeze, all right?
Spy's trying to break out.
It's trying, and we're going to get our little nugget, all right? Get ready. 741 calls, guys. 741 calls.
God, look.
Rejected off the pre-market high. What minute you had what there, high tech? The ranges, the zones? Was it your first day? God damn. Killing me. I only say it every other day. That's okay. If she doesn't break, guys, we're still squeezing here. What does that mean? Well, on the break of either one, it means it's gonna move. That's what it fucking means. VWAP and opening range now is equal. So VWAP is getting pulled up. So this will be a good if we take puts, this is gonna be good I call it support, but it's gonna be resistance because we're in puts. It'll be good support for our puts. I don't know what the 6th is. The 6th. God damn. I'm retarded, bro. Microsoft fucking jacking it the fuck off today.
They up.
11%.
Yeah. Did they have earnings yesterday?
I don't know. Meta's
Or was that
down 10%. So I don't know what happened there. Meta's
fucking
down 10%
14%?
and Microsoft is up.
Shit.
So they flopped or something. I don't know. Switched. What's his name? What's his fucking name? Chart guy. He's all in on fucking Google, bro.
Oh,
And he
I
just
know
keeps
it.
adding and adding. And I'm like, bro, just eject. Eject.
I know it.
All right, I got 727 puts are loaded. We're going to wait for the close, okay? We're going to wait for the close. 727 puts, guys. 727 puts. 727 puts. Wait for it. We're not taking it. We got 30 seconds. We're going to see if this thing gets sucked back up. Do not take it unless we close below VWAP. Entiende?
Entiende.
Which I think we're gonna. 727 puts.
I don't like how these things
I
are
don't know the
moving.
time. 7, 6. This thing has to recover here. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, that's it. Go take them. 727 puts. Pop it. Now we want to use VWAP as our resistance, right? You want this thing to go down. Down, bitch. Not up. I said down. And that could have been, see, that could have been the fake out. It could have been. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Usually what we like to see is when it breaks through one of these levels, we get a release candle. This one fought here. All right. So I don't like that. It's got some heart here. We want that bitch to release to the downside. And remember, like always, if you see green, take green. It's your money. It's not mine. All right. Oh, you'll see your red right now. You're seeing your red. Red one. And
Red,
in
red,
the event we break opening range and close, I'm just gonna flip script. All right. Just gonna flip script. Again, don't wait on me. It's going to happen. So don't wait on me. So we're still in our fucking poots. This fucking hoe did a bait and switch on me. That's all right. You little hoe. I prefer calls anyway. I'd rather take the loss if you rip to fucking new highs. Or it's gonna fucking be like, yeah, you know what? We're gonna go this way, then we're gonna go this way. We're gonna go this way. Waiting for the close. Has to close above. Waiting for it. Wait for it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I'm in. $0.50.
Damn.
Now trim, you got 10%. Come on, rip it, bitch. Rip it. Rip it good. It's 15%. Grab it. One push here. One good push. Pop.
There
There
it
you go.
is.
Trim, 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 trim.
And one day I gotta just keep moving my fucking stop up. Trail this bitch on the NQ.
You should be green now, guys. That's 30%. You should, even if you stopped out completely of your other one, you should be green on the day. All right. Slide your stop up. Keep taking trims. 30% right here. Let's pop. Let's pop. Let's pop. We want to target 738.70, okay? Come on, bitch, go. So this was our fake out right here. There we go. 0.7. Nice. It's 40%. This was the fake out, right? And that's okay. And I was talking about it right here. So it closed below VWAP, got everybody to jump in puts, including us or me. And then it just reversed, right? Which is fine. Which is fine. We know what it's going to do. It's going to try and this could actually trend up a little bit and then rip all the way back down, right? Because it didn't fool enough people. Maybe, who knows? But
Set the world on fire.
push through, push through, push through. Get us some breathing room. Push, push, bitch. Push, push, push it real good. Push it, little hoe. Push.
Possible bull flag coming up.
Well, I do like that it's squeezing here. I like it. I like it. It's gonna nut through again.
One more.
One more leg up. Get us to about 738. Look for a little hiccup at 738 just because it's a hard number. And then you'll look at the opening range yesterday. Opening range low. All right. Come on, push it, little bitch. There you go. Go ahead. No one's looking. No one's looking. Looking for that 75. Think it's got up to 72 is what I'm wanting 75. Give me that. Give me that 50. Give me that 50 spot. You should also be playing your plays the same, right? So if you take one contract, then that's fine. If you take two, make sure every play is with two contracts. If you take 100, take each play. Don't go heavy. Don't go, and there's none of that bullshit. You want consistency? That's it. Come on. Give me. There it is, 50%. Look out for the 738, guys. All right, 738 right here. Let me draw a line for you. This is it right here. Yep, and there it is. And then watch for 738.71. Right. Go ahead and get paid. Give us our hundo while you're at it here. It gives us our opening range low. That'll be our 100%.
Oh no.
That'll be our hundo. That'll be the hundo. Come on, a little more, couple more cents. Give it to me, baby. We do got a fair value gap right here. You see that? Remember, you go off the top of this candle, and then you're going to use the low of this next candle, which is the one that we're currently in. So let's see where it ends. If it doesn't come all the way back down, and this whatever this gap is, that's going to be your support. So like right now, it's right there. You go from the top of this wick to the bottom of this wick. There it is. So right here is your support area. So if it dips into this area, you buy it, and then you ride it up to the top. If it loses this, you get out, and it's invalidated. For those that don't know.
You don't know. Now you know.
It hit 96, didn't quite get our 99. What you want? Why is it disconnecting? I don't know why OBS is disconnecting. It says disconnected, reconnecting. So we may be, are we live still? It says reconnected. I don't know what happened there.
Yeah, I think we're there.
But we should be back. So with fair value gaps, if it comes below and closes back up inside it, that's what you want to see. If it closes below it, that's where it's dead. So watch what's going to happen here. It should drive up. They use these zones like the pool analogy, right? They stick their toe outside of it, and then it gets sucked back up inside of it. And here should be a push. Should be. Voila. There you go. What call did you guys grab? I'm not even talking to you no more. Actually, you need to actually just leave. What is wrong with you? Bro, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? 741s.
He's off that
You're
hot tech
fucking
too.
killing me, bro. I called it out like way when right here is when when the thing reversed on us. I'm like, okay, we're gonna look for the calls, and I gave the 741. I loaded 741s over here. Like, what are you talking about? I don't know the price on 42s. I wasn't watching them at all.
Oh, excuse me.
How'd you do? How'd they get? How'd the 42s do? You grabbed them. Speak it. Speak it. Did you get your hundo? Now he's all embarrassed. Don't be embarrassed, motherfucker. You can play whatever calls you want. I'm just telling you what I play.
Guys, also, none of this is financial advice. You press the buy and sell button. It's your money.
You take your profits. I tell you that. Don't listen to me. Don't listen to any of those fucking people. I get messages all the time from the other servers like, how come whenever you say to trim, it's never there. I'm like, bro, because I'm over here doing my own thing. It's like when I put up the closing play too, it's already at like negative 5,000,000%. And I'm like, yeah, you should stop trading. Yeah, that's good. No, it's good. That's why I'm here, guys. I like seeing that shit. So listen, ideally, properly, like if I was trading futures and not the breakout play. So if I played on this VWAP, entered it, and then this candle when it lost here, this is where my exit is. That's where your exit should have been, right? Or should have been, not shouldn't have been. Should have been. Entered here, exit here. That's it. Then you would have saved yourself all that 20 more percent, right? And then what do? We enter right here like we did. A good trader would have done that. Me, I kissed my money goodbye. So I'm an idiot. And I'm human. So I don't see how you trade charting, talking to people. Yeah, it's fucking hard. Very hard. That's why, like yesterday, the other people missed out on the puts play because I'm too busy trading, yapping, and trying to text on my phone to get the alerts out to people. It's fucking hard. It's hard.
Jesus.
I don't know what a program is, like a platform, like a broker, like Robinhood or Webull. Is that what you're talking about, Rodney? I like TD and I like Webull. I initially started with Robinhood. I don't like it because I don't like it. And I don't like it now because you can't mark it in. I like to mark it in. I also mark it out if I'm just free trading. I'll just mark it out. Sometimes I'll limit out if I have set targets, like when I first put my order in. So here's that fair value gap I was telling you about. It is acting as support just as it should be. We do want to see it push towards yesterday's opening range. It's the 738.71. This push wasn't quite high enough. It needs to give me 30 more cents. That needs to give us our hundo. I don't want that 96% bullshit. No, give me my hundo. And it may not. This thing may come rip back down, and that's all right. We should have been paid. You should have been green on the day, even if you took a full loss, which I did. You should be green. And here comes our hundo. Give it to me. Here we go. Give me it. Bitch. I said give me it. Give me my money. Yeah, I have international brokers too. I probably have every fucking broker. I have Tradier, I have international brokers, Trade Station is that one? I want to say something with a cherry tasty trade or some bullshit. I don't know. 96, there it is again. 97, 98. Give it to me. Give it to me. I want it. Give me it.
Need it.
98, $99. Ah, I'm crazy. We got a hundo. And
Hundo.
we're touching our opening range low. So look for either a fucking push through that or it's going to reject and come back down to this line. Okay. How are your 742s looking? What'd you enter at? 32? You got your Hondo too. Let me see. Where did 38? Okay, you got in at 38. So you're not quite a Hondo, but it's all right. You need 66 for your Hondo, right? You need 66. Or am I adding wrong? You need 70. What do you need? I don't know. What's 38 plus 38? 60, that's 76. So you need 76 to get a Hondo. Yeah, Tasty Trade. I used them probably, when they first came out. You're talking 10, 15 years, I think. 10 years, maybe. If I don't think it was that long. Maybe it was. So we did pop into this is now, we're in opening range of yesterday. All right. Let's see if that holds up. You want to use this as support now because you're inside yesterday's opening range. Here is the median. So look for 739.50. 739.50. As a hiccup. All right. But for sure, you want to stay in that range. If it rejects, you gotta think it doesn't want to be up there. But this here is yesterday's opening range. Let me send out a thing. People are gonna be like, it's at 97. You said it's 100. Oh, there it goes back up. Damn it. What are we in? 741s. Edit. Hundo. Thank you. Worked out today. That was good. I'm glad. Yeah, we just want to stay in here. You don't want to see the instant rejection because like we're seeing here, this I don't know what you want to call this. Is that I don't know. I don't know the names of candles. I think it's a hammer. I don't know. This shape, this is the shape you want for it to keep going up, but when it reverses, you want the body the other way. You want the body at the top, not the bottom. Trim here for these people. I don't think she wants to be up there.
Oh, no.
Bullhammer. Which one? This is the bullhammer. This is not where it flips script. And it turns red. What's that one? What's this one called right here? Someone Google that bitch. Tell me the name. Tell me the name. Saw? That's what it's called.
Shit, that's not a doji.
I don't know.
Let's see.
Oh, no, well, that's when they're flat. Yeah, that is dojis. When they're flat like that. This here, the bull hammer. This is a doji. This can technically be a doji, then one after it also, because it's about 50% of the wick and then it's flat.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know though. So I'm retarded. I'm a retard. Still at our 100%, so go ahead and take your trim if you did not already, if you need me to tell you. Good thing is it's holding pretty good. Even on those sinks, it didn't sink very much. Well, I'm glad it worked out a little easier for us today. This was disappointing. I should have, and I'll try and do better. I should have exited. All right. Should have exited. Right here. Someone remind me next time, all right? Let it go, Pee Wee. We lost. Let it go.
Let it go. Let it go.
All your fucking names. I don't know. You shouldn't have went 32%, bro. But I'm glad that you're up 4%. You shouldn't have went down 32%. It's too much. $25 is my I'll go 35 if it's holding a level, but today we didn't have any of that. Okay. What I do if I didn't stop out, I enter my new play and then I go and mess with my other play. So like I think I was stopped out in here somewhere. I don't even remember. I'll have to go back and look at the time. But in the event this did not stop me out, I would have entered my new play. Then I would have went and worried about my other play. And like I said, guys, ideally it's my bad. I should have told us to exit. We should have exited here. We would have lost 3, 4, 5%, and that would have been it, right? Should have got out here. I did not, and that's my bad. But I just enter a trade and I just leave it. I'm just like, it's either dead, I just kiss the money goodbye, or I'm gonna win it. And I shouldn't do that, but I just do. It's just habit at this point. We're still holding here. I don't like this because I think it may reject, because look at all these candles. It keeps coming up into the range and then coming out, coming in, coming out, coming in, coming out. It's either running out of the buyers and the sellers just keep knocking it down, or that's what it feels like is happening. They keep trying to drive it up and the sellers are like, no, get out, get out. If you are still in runners, make sure they're just runners, all right? Like minimal runners so that it doesn't impact your play. VWAP is now above opening range, which is where we entered, which unfortunately for options isn't the same as futures, because it won't come back down to this and be at a zero. You'll be washed out probably like in this area or this area, just because they fuck you in the drive-through. They fuck you in the drive-through.
God damn. She gone.
Yeah. High tech, you're killing me, bro. You've been here. I know you're new, but you've been in here
Yeah, what the
for at
fuck?
least a couple of weeks.
Nah,
All
that
I preach
motherfucker's
is
been in
candle
here for a minute.
close. Yeah. Even if you're new to trading since he's first started here, though, even if it's been a month, like all I preach is the close, bro. I tell you about the wicks all the time. The whole sticking your toe in the water. Yeah, that's what a wick is. Well, hopefully you made something today. Hopefully we learned a little lesson. Number one, we took the play regardless. I took the puts here, thinking we were going to go, and it should have. It should have went. But this immediate candle got bought right back up, and we got out. We should have got out. We did not. I did not. You may have. You may be smarter than me.
Schmalta.
Shmata. If you would, give us a like, give us a subscribe. Come on into
Very
the
much
Discord.
appreciated.
I am I used to have a goal of 5 winning automated strategies, and that was like my fucking mission to get to 5. Guys, I don't even know now. I have 20 that I'm playing right now that are all winning. Been tweaking these bitches for gosh knows how long. Gosh knows how long. And I got it to a point now that 5 is in the rearview mirror. Like 5's in the rearview mirror. So I'm gonna probably start something up in August. Um, I was thinking about just doing 10. That basically, if you were a brand newbie and you wanted to do automated trading, that would be $500. If you want to do 5, it'd basically be $250, because you get on average the accounts are $50 a pop. You can get them for $20. You can get them for $70, but on average they're about $50 a pop. And so that's kind of where my logic was. Get 5 accounts, that's $250. You get one of them to fund, that'll pay for themselves, right? And so that was my mission when I started out doing automated. That's behind, like that's not a thing. Now, if I put 10 in and I don't get 10 to fund, I'm kicking Playboy or something. So next month I'll roll out. Some of you guys in my Discord, there's commands you can use in there once you hook up with automated, that tells you my daily strats that are doing good, where they're at, weekly, monthly. If you any of the monthlies, they're basically, the no stops are all going to dominate on the monthly because they do the best. They're all set up the same. They trade from 5 to 7 at night. They automatically exit at 7 o'clock, and then trading day, they're well, 7 my time, so 8 to 4 market time. They all are exact same. They all will exit at 3:55, and then that's it. That way they're all on an even playing field. I use one MNQ. That's it, guys. One MNQ. That's nothing, right? Some of the no stop ones, I use 2 MNQs. And what does that relate to? It or translate to? It's $200 for a win and $100 for a loss. That's what it translates to. That's why I use those. So anyway, I'm super excited about where things have gone with that. A lot of fucking hours. Tweaking. Some people hang their hat on one strategy, and I used to. The predictor is still bread and butter, but you see some people that are coming out on there because automation is relatively new, and now people are getting it more and more. And they hang their hat on one strat with a couple different time frames. No, I have a couple hundred. So
the Discord invite isn't working.
oh yeah, why?
No. Hold on.
Why?
Low Tech said that when he tries to join, it says unable to accept invite. I just tried it. It said the same thing.
For you? Let me see. Let me get us a new one. How do I invite people? Pee-wee's Trading House. Where's my invite? Hold on.
Oh, I ain't seen Mickey in a minute. Where the fuck you been, Mickey?
What up, mate?
I don't think it works in Webull. Does it? Or is it back working?
No, it doesn't work in Webull. You're talking this is all futures, guys. The only one right now that's working options is Tradier. And the issue I run in with that is it doesn't always take profit. All right, because you have to arrange it differently. Here, try this one, guys. Somebody try this link for me. Select members. Huh. How do I put never?
Never too late. For me, it still says the
Do
same.
me a favor. Somebody go to my. Yeah, then something's happening. That one right there still says the same thing.
Yes, it does.
It works, or it
No,
says.
it's saying unable to accept.
What about that one? Someone go to my. I don't know. Anyway, I'm out of here though. I'll tweak it. That one works.
Hold on. Nope.
No, whatever. I don't know. go search us out. I don't know why. I've never had that issue before.
Yeah, I don't know where the fuck Sammy is.
Yeah, Sammy fucking got picked up by the feds, bro. That's what
Federal
happened.
houses. He's gone. Fucking picked him up off the private jet.
All right, y'all. I'm out of here. Y'all have a good day. I gotta get. We'll do it tomorrow. Happy Thursday. We'll get it on Friday. Deuces.
Sure. Later, y'all.